Imagine this for a second. You launch an AI agent today. It completes a task, and then it forgets everything. Tomorrow, you have to start from zero again. The same instructions, the same setup, the same context, over and over again. Now imagine the opposite. An AI agent that never resets. One that remembers everything, every action, every decision, every conversation. It wakes up on its own, continues where it left off, and keeps improving over time, even when you're not there. That's no longer just an idea. That's exactly what Secure OpenClaw is bringing to the table, and it changes everything. Up until now, most people have looked at AI agents as tools. You give them a prompt, and they give you an output. You run a workflow, it executes, and then it's done. It's powerful, but it's temporary. Every run is isolated, and every task starts fresh. But what Abacus AI has done with Deep Agent completely shifts this perspective. They didn't just make agents faster or add more features, they changed how agents exist over time. And that shift is subtle, but incredibly powerful. OpenClaw became popular because it gave AI real-world control. It could click buttons, navigate interfaces, send messages, and interact with applications like a human using a computer. For the first time, people could actually watch AI take action instead of just generating text. That's why it went viral so quickly. But as soon as people tried to use it for real, ongoing tasks, a major limitation became obvious. These agents didn't last. You could start them, they would complete their job, and then they would stop. If you wanted continuity, you had to build it yourself, managing databases, storing state, reconnecting context, and dealing with errors. It worked for experiments, but it wasn't reliable for real-world systems. This is where Deep Agent changes the game. Abacus AI introduced 4 core upgrades: Secure OpenClaw, persistent memory, scheduled execution, and orchestration. Each one is powerful on its own, but together they transform AI agents into something entirely different. They turn them into systems that operate continuously over time. Let's start with Secure OpenClaw, because this is what makes everything else possible. Traditional OpenClaw setups often run on local machines or loosely managed environments, relying on API keys, environment variables, and scattered configurations. That's fine for testing, but it becomes risky when agents are running continuously and accessing sensitive data. Deep Agent solves this by running every agent inside a managed virtual machine. Each agent operates in an isolated environment with clearly defined permissions. It only accesses what it's allowed to access. All data is encrypted, both in transit and at rest, and access is controlled through role-based systems instead of exposed credentials. On top of that, the system is SOC 2 Type 2 compliant, meaning the security isn't just theoretical, it's continuously audited and verified. This allows agents to safely interact with real business systems without constant supervision. Once that secure foundation is in place, the next big shift is memory. Most AI agents today don't actually remember anything beyond a single session. They simulate memory temporarily, but once the task is done, everything resets. Deep Agent introduces persistent memory that carries across executions. This isn't just chat history, it's structured memory that includes past conversations, actions, results, preferences, and decisions. So when the agent runs again, it doesn't start from zero. It resumes. It builds on everything it has already done. This is what gives the feeling of infinite memory, not because it literally stores everything forever, but because it never loses context between runs. This becomes even more powerful when combined with scheduled execution. Instead of waiting for you to manually trigger it, the agent wakes up on its own schedule. It checks its memory, evaluates the current situation, and continues working. Whether it's daily, weekly, or hourly, the agent keeps running without needing constant input. This is where automation turns into true autonomy. The system doesn't depend on you being present. It keeps moving forward on its own. Now, when you add orchestration into the mix, the ability to coordinate multiple tools, systems, and workflows, you start to see something very different emerge. This is no longer just automation. This is a digital operator that can manage complex processes across different platforms. Take invoice follow-ups as an example. It sounds simple, but in reality, it's often inconsistent. Invoices are sent, deadlines pass, and follow-ups get delayed or forgotten. The real challenge isn't knowing what to do, it's keeping track of everything. With Deep Agent, the agent checks on a schedule which invoices are still open. It remembers how each customer behaved in the past and adjusts its approach accordingly. Some customers respond to gentle reminders, while others require escalation. The agent adapts based on history, and the process continues smoothly without manual intervention. The same principle applies to sales outreach. Sales isn't just about sending one message, it's about maintaining conversations over time. When context is scattered across different platforms, consistency breaks down, but with persistent memory, the agent keeps track of every interaction. It knows which leads responded, what questions they asked, and which messages worked. This allows it to follow up in a way that feels natural and aligned with the conversation, rather than robotic and repetitive. Sentiment analysis is another area where this continuous approach makes a big difference. Traditional systems provide snapshots of what people are saying at a specific moment, but they don't capture how sentiment evolves over time. Deep Agent compares current data with past data, identifying trends and shifts. It detects whether frustration is increasing, whether feedback is improving, and how conversations are changing. This allows the agent to adapt its behavior based on long-term patterns rather than isolated data points. The real power of this system becomes clear when you look at practical demos. For example, a Telegram bot powered by Deep Agent doesn't just respond to messages, it maintains ongoing conversations. It remembers users, understands their history, and provides responses that build on past interactions. Conversations don't reset, and each interaction feels more personalized over time. In engineering workflows, the impact is even more significant. When a Jira ticket is created, the agent doesn't just trigger a script. It reads the issue, understands the context of the codebase, plans a solution, and executes it. It can create pull requests, assign reviewers, and communicate updates across tools. This isn't just automation, it's coordinated problem solving across multiple systems. Even code reviews become proactive. Instead of waiting for developers to analyze changes, the agent evaluates pull requests in context, identifies potential issues, and provides clear feedback before anyone even opens the repository. This shifts the entire workflow from reactive to proactive. At this point, it becomes clear that this isn't just about improving efficiency, it's about redefining how work gets done. AI agents are no longer disposable tools that you run once and forget. They are becoming persistent systems that operate continuously, learn from experience, and adapt over time. This leads to a fundamental shift, from isolated tasks to ongoing systems, from simple execution to continuous operation, and from tools to active participants in real workflows. And with that shift comes an important question. Are we ready for this? Are we ready to trust AI agents not just to execute tasks, but to operate over time, remember context, and make decisions based on accumulated knowledge? Because once you remove the reset, you introduce consistency. And consistency is what builds trust. But it also requires letting go of control. The technology is already here. This isn't something far in the future. It's happening right now. And the people who understand it early will have a massive advantage. So the real question is simple. If you had access to an AI agent that never resets, that remembers everything, and that keeps working, even when you're not there, would you trust it? Let me know in the comments. I'm genuinely curious to hear your thoughts. And if you want to stay ahead of where AI is actually going, make sure you like this video, subscribe to Verve AI, and I'll see you in the next one.